Priscilla mameka se mo kyerɛw se wona wo bua Daddy Lumba wona bra bomu a bibisa se adwuma ben na wo ye tam na wo ne DL etse no adwuma ben na wankasa wodi ni ko gina stage ukura ni nsuo sukom de na no de amanu sa adwuma no esi East Legon efie bibisa o sa adwuma no ato asase eye DLFM sa adwuma no ebie water company nti se abodamfo we no mo kasa depressed woman we kasa ubenya mwa no so etie na they will not use their common sense mamenka sam cho Priscilla Daddy odesika na beba uso wahu wone ne ba pani no ono na odesika ne be hye ne sama ne dia wo waku ato atwene trust me because why ye Daddy boni a osesa boni no ono wanya obi
Abusuya chese eyo odobloni ne nklofo mo support no asema edoma no ane se odobloni able Daddy Lumba ho ye esanse yenhwe nkola na egu ne nanso nkola ba ko 6 so 7 yeso odobloni ngwana na chese obo ne ho modern intedie be nti na Daddy Lumba afili ma chese nklofo ampese odobloni ebenya japade ni bi adofo na team legal wife wo question e de ma eye odobloni se ejapade yi a chese wetuetu anklofo se empo omonko na omonje ejapade na mfama no na lawyers a wetuetu omusika asamle de eka ababa beda honom no ejapade na ono pese nkomonje mfama no timliga wifo bisa ne se ono ebla be mpa no bebo Daddy Lumba bla bom a se si ano ono pe ye mfaso ewo so yenhwe se time Daddy Lumba eti ase wo odobloni yesi na wonya adwuma bia ema no na emu no kobo program na wodi na chi na wuta ni nsuo na opepa na nim ne de keka ho ese se adwuma na wo ye ya no eye adwuma a ebetumi ato East Legon dan ama wa tenema na wa wo hwe years na one ne de tran na adwuma wansa wa ye na ebetumi ato East Legon dan ana se Daddy Lumba FM station no ebetumi esi dan no asan ye FM station wo inside ana adofo team legal wife wo se odobloni amba meka no kure a enyade ane ho beto no esanse ono odinani ato ye free the fee mu ohema Lumba chese nsema enim na omo kafa ye ma yakocha se wa ho ene empo Daddy Lumba ho na omo di defend ono odobloni na chese wa kana no atum no ye se Daddy Lumba spirit sisi ade ani buafu nti di odobloni di dwuma di no ye se Daddy Lumba buafu nti ono so de na ketua e de ble no na empo Daddy Lumba se ono wantumi anye bibia kura na eye ne back Calvin be ma no yes ono ene be take action against ye odobloni ye na ababa tibi se akula no Daddy Lumba ne bank account bi se Kelvin Fosuno we deny odobloni efisa bank account ne ho sika bi a se no odobloni pese onda ada akola yi se empo ne papa amfani din anka ye japade no won de keka ho nti ono odobloni ene betumi ama ono Kelvin no japade ni bi sansan we na chese odobloni etutugu nkola na asom no eno na team legal wife for kase akola no ene be baba be take action against wo odobloni so wodwen se Daddy Lumba ne spirit a emre esanse moa no makwa chechire no adofo team legal wife for say enyade Daddy Lumba nso ne spirit order hodin ama e odobloni di se adwuma di we edi no na enche yese no kure be ba abonten esanse owuo ne ho nsem de yese Roman father odobloni amuni hu bi na ebe kwakwakoti eye miminas nsem odi aba be gudwa achese obo eye odobloni kokose no kure bia obo bia ombeka ansa na ebusua no kula no omani able ne so meso so be kire wa adwen wo tie video no
Prince Lade wama nkwasiafo muwa bi ti abroje no mo aye depressed eka echantro fabricate stories Ohima Lumba waye nanim se ka apem obana no tan kwa buta Frida no ono waboda mu o Priscilla sa ababa wan obodam enye ne ye na ye nim no wo Facebook tete no ye nim de ne dam etimi ye ana wosi ho ana o kan samo akese ne nim a wonim trodo se enim na ye o de na afefe wo si waya ade wo so na se kan ne beba efiri hu ansa na akokwase aba ne so Priscilla mamika se mo kirew se wona wo bu adade lumba wona bra bomu a bibisa se adwuma ben na wo ye tam na wo ne DL etse no adwuma ben ana na wo ye apart from say wo bie wo twam ewo mafiri mu ba no adwuma ben udonzu oda edie na wo manage no die na wo ye ma no apart from say wo na wa oso wonsa na wankasa udi niko jina stage ukura ni nsuo sukom de na no de amam sa adwuma esi East Legon efie mibisa o sa adwuma no ato asase eye DLFM sa adwuma no ebie water company Inti se abodamfo we no mo kasa the press woman we kasa ubenya mwa no so etie na they will not use their common sense mamenka samcho Priscilla daddy odesika na beba uso wahu wone ne ba pani no ono na odesika na be hye ne nsama ne de awo waku ato atwene trust me because why ye daddy bonia o se sa bone no ono wanya obi na ye gu nanimu ase gu nanimu ase wo sa abofra wenti ohun mobo woni wabusia mobo de mudi tia ne kani Priscilla de wudi tia na de kani nka onya mobo mpo ne fa wetia ne ka Fise nipa bebre bisa se edien na ode ye wenti utimi ye edi na wuse woni wabusia so wose wanya ubone na se de wanya ubone a wodi bone wetia ne kan Islegon ho no mami akosi ase wa omeji o ni kunu na beji ama no that the spirit obeji fie na ma ne yire na ye ne dia no enti se wote se abodamfo ne keka nkwase asemu a Priscilla fititi ana wosenka wotia wo mu se misramu o me fa asem bi anya o na ya wo fe na ya wo sere na wo fra da ase ana omu keka gum that the spirit ebe ba wo so se ye wa adwe se wa chekere no nti wotimi nkeka ne ho a wo de obehu abusia ne ekoso wo dadi ewuo mu no eyare hosemu a eya ne empesi ebebiebie niema bebre so akire senti ni se daddy ne spirit no owuye omu a nipa bonfo a omu kun daddy no daddy nipa bonfo ne kun no nipa ne kun no me se mesi su dwan nipa ne kun no na nipa ekun no enye nipa baako na nipa dodo ekun no bibi besi within 7 to 10 days ya mama hu nipa biara ne hu wom obetwa suo obekọ he akope bambo kura emfa ye nyina ye de yani behu se otifo so omunye nhwehwemu se Ghana police si omu de hwe emfa omu ho no daddy besiki ni justice for no ankasa ni wuo no because ye wo mampani a wo so wonye hwe ye wo CID ye wo Ghana police ye wo ye wo ni nyina bi bia si omu ntu ho anamo ti daddy nyame adawroma ababa wa wei ene na busua ne maame antisisi edi na wu etisa na omu wie ye na omu nimo ewuduo ni ewudie na omu di ye ne se ehun sunsu anso obetimi aba no na omu ye ntam kekere papa no omu kekere daddy omu kekere no omu kekere na nan bomu on se de esi ekekere obi rap no sunsu mfam sa na omu ye no omu kekere ne nan ne nsa se de be ya on siki revenge but enshranka nananom nkrafo asase omu tumi omu abosomo ekura tumi na ye kan nsuo wo ga asase so a ye de nsuo ampa Se nananom bo mu ho ade gyagina omo asase omo na ayi ya kan se omo su anim na se omo timi kasa fresunsun bia omo yi sa niema na firi akwan mu ene da se de da di be de no ho na was strike for revenge na eno na 7 to 10 days no hwe bibia ni mu ABC opriga benten alias SSS alias funu yire wo gu papa ya ni mu ase daddy si manya ne bonni o Priscilla manya ne bonni Priscilla di me wuse gu me di mu ase na daddy su yesi be mensu na spirit we di osu che obia bisa se Priscilla dia na daddy ye no Priscilla oso wanya ne bonni o na de kunu twa ne nsono nya kukudro da ne ka mu me e drive o se badam Priscilla me say me de nim se wo do twa be bie main gate no waso America mu gidi o ma me antisisi no nim nuro no ni bayie no de moaye no ene abosom na egugu fie honom no de omudi begu ho de omudi hyasase na se de moaye wo fie ho no de ya ne se woni saman ko no hunhunu saman de ma ne ho ye de no nti ade a betimi ayansa obekekere no eno na moye no na saman ene ne nku because ono woto a ba bi otu gina wachi a obeye den nti bibi de ebesi bibi besi ama wiase nyina hu aban panifo nyina de omani hu omo aso atibi enti free nari kwai se muhu se yawo obi sekan se free nari kwai muhu se ewuwu bi titi sisia enye obia o said that the Lumba spirit na sorry ye adwuma e free nari kwai Priscilla o ne bo ne maami o ne hwan o Roman father no wasi ampani no wasi abema sa ambobra o sorry a odidi amanfo se yi amanfo echi se school boy bema abrabo ye bona obi mobra na wo kodi na chi ne ya na boy watimi wo Roman father onsoso bra na beka wanu asem o bra na beka wanu asem wan so wa ma na ye di afishia dani wia wo de wo beti bobole bobo wo chese ni patimi ye bone na chese nka mumfa respect kura ma no na mumfa ne to casket mu adaka ayesen adadi ne properties grant me afford adaka ayesen kwasi ampani Roman father wo be wu ama ye de wato wabusia de wato adaka mu ahu se wo be wu ama wabusia de wato adaka mu na mu abusia no se mu Roman father no wu na se bo de ne to adaka mu a se kan na beba mo so se kwasi ampani di obi de hia to ato ne twene je se ode ne to oye ne te sa akokọ obua ye ne te sa akokọ kwasi ampani Roman father na busia fo tiami a se owu na se bu nim na mo de ne to casket mu pefuna adaka de ne to mu a mo so se kan ne beba mo so me ka kire mo ne se kan no e beba mo so enti mu wafutu obi a mo fama no na yine na madika ka kire o se ka kire hukunu se bone be na ade aye de Lumba o so ope waku bisa no oma bonti na ni kire ya no meka no nokure se die na dadi Lumba se waye no a ope waku tisa obe wu agya mo ene mo ma ho abusua mo be hwira de enche mo be hwire mo de hia Roman father okoba nyina mo hu ana mo nyina amaye di na mo hwe no mo atunifo na oye na adwe se obe nante abo ne ho ban a ebe fa ne se rapture ebe fa no abusuafo me di nyame gya mo nyina nyame hira mo amuka me ho no nyame hira mo tituru na papa bi nyame hira na ye de mfaibo na ye di nananom su echi di ni die ni obu ama nananom de omo ka bia nsoso no ye bebre ye ho ase ama omo efise tumi no osoro ni asase tumi anyame ono a na yes anyame na wudi papa se tumi na wode ye adwuma wa asase so se ye papa nko a ene na afiri nyame abosom a mo ye adwuma mo fa no kura nya adwuma ene mo firi nyame na de omude ye adwuma pa no afiri nyame because nyame na boss tumi ni nyina shares ane manim eti abusuafo team legals me say ye ni court fo ni asem bia biem ena ye free Ghana police ni ye free president bia say ye jai
ye lawyer kafa
ni mayen ye jai ye nkasa biem ye free mu biem ye mpa mu chose mu ba ye bibia biem ye de ye ni ana ye be hwa de ye hwe se nipa na nkasa be pe justice ama ono ana yere Mami akosi ase wani kunu na beko ama no na japade nyina waye a onim se ne yire na odija no no ono a beji na ade nyina islegon no nipa bi be firifie ho no ma ye mpam o mu
Biao
ya misha nana
yo sister
kramu abusia fo ya misha mu nyina Priscilla ebe fa Jesus afano osande onche na wabo Afanu so afanu yiyo osande onche na wabo obeba bebu obiara ten dem na ni nyuma tio orima de o gwama biem obeba ne de anwenya de na wabetina na ngwam ai amafu obi di omotwe ebebie punu akahwe ngban tu Amerika omuntu bida na nini kwasi yampeni na chesi no a onto no nso nipa efutuo nsachira no agisen sohwe abebe bom na bebe bom pam pam abebe bom awudifuo na be ebusuafo mo hwa antisisi yobatan ya yedi ni die ni obuoma no obi abesi wo se ni dia ni obu ode ma antisisi ntina boboba me se nsembesi o ensemu besisi opewu mpewu beka wanka wuwu wanka wo bodam enye mo pe na mo de beka o de be pam no de be gina mo so no eno na be ma mo aka mo beka abra ye ka kire mo se mo nkama no ntumu nyina na mo kasa me say mo say Priscilla ye innocent ana akola ne suan osu ana suan osu me say ebedru ho ye be hu so ye innocent na daddy spirit ne di na chi nso all of you go see and you go know why mo amudin tro twan kontompo de nim fabricate stories ma de mo baji bi agumu mo mai be yare ade dade mo a wa wonti bi so nko ti said oba bi aminim no de mana wase so mo akotu agu Ghana ho no yare bi bebo mo no wonti bi sore no wa twa ticket because oni nkrata no akohwe ne ma do who am be say that the spirit say odi akosia say wachi ana say Priscilla efunu yire nachi eho na mo be hu de daddy dono eho na mo be hu de daddy ware no wosu mo be twantro nkoso a ye jamu ama no obeye na adwuma ne fefefe why
Sa the royal Fosu family na mo kano so ono omon kamom no mo nya yie no mo we no mo na ye yie na royal Fosu family for na mo kano omo ne amatawi adenva omo na mo kana omo na ye yie no fati mo ba be kire sa na ma we nyina moa na mo gaza mo papa mo wadi ma me na mo gu na ni mo asem si e be siu mo international court ye siu mo firm no wate kurasefo eti ebe kan yi na si it is still I was about to Fosu royal family, but may say catch him say there's nothing like Fosu royal family, but there is a Fosu family. Ernestina Fosu, Faustina Fosu, Mamia Kosuya Sewa Fosu, and then Krana Mudi Fosu nina. Obi a waka bi anka ho. Eti saa nipa ya mabobo omudin. Omumu de hen na mo ne ye ye ni bom. Omumu de hen na mo obeka saa nsem we echi ma mo representing no. Omumu de hen because there's nothing like any royal Fosu family. Ebi ni ho. The only family we pa akoso akonwa no. Eti ade na mo kwan ne ye no mo de beza Ghana fo na ye ma Ghana fo nyina hu say fati ni baba jama azan na mo de beza mo because ye kof yi pa akoso akonwa bia ni we for royal Fosu family. There is no palace whatsoever. You actually say royal Fosu family palace house. Ebi ni ho. Hence, sa royal Fosu family no omode ba no azan omode ba tumfuturo gu nipa ni. Now why mo na consist of the royal Fosu family? And some of mo kekan die ase ni nyina favor odobroni o. Na odobroni ya mo say royal Fosu family si e ware ni. E na ekogina court ni nua brempoma ase da bi. Onu ye Fosu. Eti wan mo na na e wo na e ware no. Oni photo ni picture oni hwe ni di Fosu nseso. Eti e de na obeka Fosu family ho. Onim baby afosufo no ete onim pa akoso onko baby ada onim abusuani bia e de no koka Fosu family no eti abusuani ba na beka chen so odobro ni aware no ya ware no na mo ka se mo wie court de no na me say ya betwi mu mutan ama obi hu se mo ye mo ya kromfo fati wo ye kromfo baba jama mo ya kromfo mo ye arm robbers amako boru obi abusuam akoseye abusua no e di chaos abagana na se nyese aban a wote so no ena so so mo so a e ka wo se echimutum e wo se mo firm no ye gym license for some mess we amako so no Ghana because mo ya kromfo. There's nothing like royal Fosu family eni ba bia royal Fosu family bia ni ba bia ohini bia ni wa wode Fosu e wo pa akoso anan sita. And I call Fosu kura be dia konwa kenye na konwa din be ye Fosu ya ne papa din eti royal Fosu family be na mo no mo din komo no fati mo be ba America na say Germany court obe kan kire mo be ba if you say be sama mo firm no and we will do it in a way was mo ba by force Germany kura na be boa if you say mo firm ne court gina say ye de nsa abu civil marriage enkurasefo ana Ghana for di machi if you say mutumfu trogu nwa manfo ani na na munim say asem na twam timolete na na ye kan no eti omo say the number 6 point of the bullet points na me reading no or say as the last lawyers of the late Daddy Lumba before his demise, this is where I have a problem. How did you Fati know that you were the last lawyer of Daddy Lumba? So in all this chaos, in all this mess you have caused the family, you want us to believe that you did all this because in your mind, in your stupid thievery mind, you think you were the last lawyers of Daddy Lumba before his demise. Did you plan his demise? Did you know about his demise? Is there any letter to that effect that Daddy Lumba told you, Baba Jama and associates, that when he is dead and gone, you people should take over and destroy his family like you people have succeeded in doing? Where is it? Come and show us a written agreement. Come and show us a video, an audio of Daddy Lumba instructing your firm to come and disrupt and disgrace him after his death. To come and demand for 15 billion old Ghana cedis after making someone who was a mistress a wife. Are you people not insane? And if Ghana was a serious country, you people should be arrested by now. Are you people not fucking insane? You come into someone's family, cause all this mess to the extent that the dead body is messing up till now. And then you come back to tell us that the family should sell the person's properties and pay you 15 billion old Ghana cedis. Are you people insane? After causing all this harm, you will pay more than that to Mami Akosua Sewa. And I will make sure that happens. Because everything we have here is evident that you people are fraudulent. You people are using your political powers and your political prowess in the legal field to steal from Daddy Lumba's family, to steal from Daddy Lumba's corpus, to destroy Daddy Lumba's legacy, or to suit a mistress's agenda. You were appointed by the mistress, and there's nothing like any royal Fosu family. And I put it to you, Baba Jama and associates, that you are fake, you are fraudulent, and you are fraudsters. No No family is called the Royal Fosu family. You never dealt with any Royal Fosu family. You dealt with Priscilla. And from all indications, this girl is not innocent when it comes to Daddy Lumba's death. And then you people came and stated in this letter that everybody should stay clear of Daddy Lumba's properties. So what is Priscilla Ofori and her siblings and her mom doing on Daddy Lumba's properties? Why are they still selling water with Daddy Lumba's name? You are stupid people who thought you can take Ghanaians for a ride. You are stupid idiots of lawyers who thought Ghanaians are dumb. Who thought we will never revisit whatever you have done? Who thought you can walk without your trails? Who thought that this letter will not resurface again for people to critically analyze it and put the reality on the grounds together to find the results we are looking for? You never thought this day will come. But I'm proving to you that we will drag you and you will pay for all that you have done. You are thieves. You are broad daylight thieves with political backing. And if the government of the day was a serious government, they wouldn't support this nonsense, this gibberish, this broad daylight legal robbery that you people have practiced in Ghana. This lie, blatant lies. If the government of the day was a serious government and wants to reset the country, Baba Jamal should be out of business right now. He has proven himself to be bad enough. He has proven himself to be worthless enough to the NDC. But because the NDC cherishes what he is doing, they still support this man. This man is a thief. Baba Jama is a thief. Fati is a thief. It's a bunch of legal thieves that have been robbing people with a system that they can manipulate. This letter shows that you people are thieves. How can you come and tell us that in your mind, you were the last lawyers of Daddy Lumba's demise? So that gives you the power to come against his legally married wife. That gives you the power to come and impose another woman on the family and call them, who is the Royal Fosu family anyway? Daddy Lumba was not a king. He wasn't a chief. He didn't have any palace. So who was the Royal Fosu family that you were talking to? From Pakoso and Nsuta. Priscilla is not from Pakoso. Neither is she from Nsuta. So Baba Jama and associates, since you can come on social media, come and tell us who the people are. Stupid fool. Stupid, foolish fool. I said we knew that all the dust will settle and people will begin to listen to wisdom. People who are seeking for the truth will begin to look in between the lines. So now, I've proven to you that there was nothing, there is nothing, there has never been anything called the Royal Fosu family, ever in existence, ever. So no Royal Fosu family appointed you. Who are those from Pakoso and Nsuta? Those are the people that you are in court with as we speak. You are in court with Mamia Bosua Brimpoma Fusu. You are in court with her. So which people are you talking about? You are in court with the people that you were referring to in Pakoso and in Nsuta. These same people, Baba Jama, you dragged them to court. And where you represent, what kind of representation is this? And I will draw it back to the government of the day. Because the government of the day is solidly behind you. It's solidly behind you. Mr. Monade, me man, munya, no muni o magure, me man kesi o, me baby an kesi. Why no? Munya me man no muni o maguro, mati. Hey, na me na wose me no mudi agro na me tie keke mo amomo muni o maguro. Oye be church WhatsApp, pepe fa me man ho dia no akọ 2 page o. Mondo go ya na me man nchele, omo ya ahemfo, mati. Amunti ne ebre. Anyway, it said I make a John Baba Jama. Mofam asem free on come baby anka say me man raise you more like that. And my church was answer me more. Don't talk about my case like that. Omo beka say why not say me baby kasawa. Penshi share ni ko bi e page na koye wa de o. You sure ni mu no. Anyway, I know obi obe so be distract here keke. Baba Jama. Nana fa so na mo Fosu family for omuni ho Fosu family eni won mo na mo do omo gina court na mo se omo na be ka kire mo se ya ware odobro ni na mo ka se mo wie no ano no mo wie yo mo di funu na be ba de mo ye bia ye be magana fo be chesi mo na said make no say Ghana aban a oteso no open no kore enye say
like video no na say if mama message was and any day they can over channel no so e ma lo fee so be subscribe we are no man no do nsabo so say na believe am video no nsabo notification